My good friend, Mike Switzer, he wasn't the department chair. He was just an amazing teacher that we said, hey, we need to bring him into the conversation. So he started to think like we did in these questions of, what does this mean for our kids? What does this mean for our outcomes that we want to accomplish? If truly this is who we are, and this is what we believe should happen, and these are the skills that our kids should have when they leave, then what are we going to do? So Mike said, you know what, let's develop a capstone project. Let's develop a way for students to demonstrate to us that they have acquired these skills. The capstone project allowed us to capture, one, the skills in terms of how they were embedded into our lessons, but two, it really put in the practice of reflection. It was about the student learning more than anything else. The students needed to learn, the students needed to process how these things were embedded into these activities, how they were developing, their strengths and their weaknesses as they related to these skills.
This is only, again, one piece to hold us accountable, to ensure that what we promised our stakeholders back in the visioning and back in the development of stages is that they want to know, did we do what we said we were going to do? Did we develop our students' student learning capacities through the experience at Savanna High School?
We made it voluntary. That means that all the teachers volunteered to participate, all of the students volunteered to participate. We didn't give any grade for that process. We just said, hey, this is the expectation. We want you guys to do it, and put it out there. 100% of our seniors participated in that very first year of the capstone interviews. 100%. That included our students with disability, our English learners, and all of our students. And we were able to take the students, had them reflect on their work, and then put together that work that best reflected their student learning capacities. Because the students have choice as to what they select, and because the teachers participated in the interviews, the teachers were wondering, well, hey, how come only certain teachers' work was being selected? So in their mind, it's like, okay, I better do a better job of infusing the learning capacities in my class. So when we get to the interview, the students select my work from my class in their reflection. It was pretty powerful.